My greetings, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, we're going to deal with complex sentences. If you remember in our previous tutorial, we dealt with the using the past simple and the past continuous, the shorter action and the longer action in one complex sentence. Now, what we are going to do, we're going to go down directly into using the two past continuous tenses in one complex sentence. I mean by that, two longer actions are happening at the same time. Okay? So, two longer actions are happening at the same time, as you can see. Two actions in progress at the same time. Now, in this case, we have only one link word, one transition. We don't have two. In the previous one, if you remember, we had while or as and when. But in this, we're going to have only while. So now, again, what makes an action long or short is the meaning of the action itself. Watch, read, two longer actions. So now again, while in this case, it's followed by action 1 and then action 1 again, or action 2 actually, I could say. Two actions, action 1 and action 2, are both in the past continuous. Okay? While my family was watching TV, I was reading the newspaper, as you can see. Now more examples if you wish. Okay? Omar was revising the new contracts. Another employee was computing the data. Again, two actions are happening at the same time in the same office, in the same working place. Okay? While Omar was revising the new contracts, another employee was computing the data. I can't use when in this. No way. I only can use while. Another example. Okay? Another example. I was listening to the news. Long action. My children were playing in the living room. Long action. While I was listening to the news, my children were playing in the living room. More examples. Okay, let's look at these examples. I was studying while my mother was making dinner. Two longer actions happening at the same time. Was studying, while, was making. You weren't listening while she was talking to you. Two actions are happening at the same time. And in this case, you could refer to singular or plural, female or male. While she was reading the newspaper, Sammy was watching TV. Again, as you can see, two actions are happening at the same time, was reading and was watching. I wasn't paying attention while I was driving my car. Two actions are happening at the same time. While they were eating dinner, they were discussing their plans for the coming vacation. Two actions are happening at the same time. Now we have, as you can see, this now exercise, and this exercise is for both tutorials. As I told you, the one that has to do with using the past simple and past continuous in one complex sentence, and the one that has to do with using the past continuous and past continuous in one complex sentence. Now what I need you to do is to consider the link words or the transitions. Now when, it's followed by the past simple, which is the short action. So it should be here, long action. When I phoned my cousins, they were traveling to Istanbul. The players in the stadium, now when, is preceded by the long action, they were playing, followed by a short action, began to rain heavily. When in the middle, as you can see, again, let me just copy this and use it here instead, highlighted green. When is preceded by the long action, followed by the short action. I was watching the news when my friends paid me a visit. They visited me. While, followed by in initial position, followed by the long action, and then, these two actions are happening at the same time. While Salim was working in his office, my colleagues were computing the new received data, as you can see, okay? Let me just do this so that I can lose, yeah, exactly. Now, while in middle position, preceded by, okay, again, another long action. I was listening to the news while my mother was watching a movie. Both actions are long, both actions are in the past continuous. Now, I was arranging the files while my kids were playing in the other room. So both actions are happening at the same time. Both actions are long and in the past continuous. Now, when is used in now initial position, followed by the short action, which is the past simple. When I arrived home last night, my kids were playing computer games. The phone rang while in middle position, preceded by the short action, the past simple, followed by the long action, the past continuous. And finally, when I got up this morning, that's when, followed by the short action, and then the long action, which is the past continuous. It was raining or was raining heavily. Thank you for being with me today. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much. Our next tutorial is going to be also on complex sentences. We're going to be using the past simple again. With the next tutorials are going to do the following: the past simple with the past. Now this was the past continuous, and then the past perfect, and then the past perfect continuous, and then the past simple. The past simple is very important in complex sentences. Thank you very much for being with me today.